Let's see 2.18. In 2.18 it says that comparing integers. Write a program that asks the user to enter two integers, obtains the numbers from the user, then prints the larger number followed by the words is larger. This word should be used here. If the numbers are equal, print the message these numbers are equal. Use only the single selection form of if statement you learned in this chapter. As you know, if here also used if. Let's see this in code blocks. We have integer a, b, and if enter two numbers, just take two numbers from the user, scanf %d, ampersand a, ampersand b. So we use here ampersand. See, ampersand. I've used ampersand. This is address operator. Address of a, address of b. It takes this addresses. So now make sure that whenever we use printf and printf, we do not use this ampersand or address operator. We just use this address operator and scanf because it takes that place or that address, that location to a and b. So now let's use the actual code which this program wants from us. If statement we use, make sure that whenever we use if statement in C language or in C programming language, we just have a bracket if. This is a keyword, if keyword, and after that a bracket and braces. After that we have the brace. Whatever we write in this braces, this statement, whatever statement we write, these statements will be included in this if statement. Okay. Now whatever after this braces, whatever statement we have, so this is not included in this if statement. Whether that's true or not, it doesn't care. So just it cares about the statement which is in the braces. So if a is greater than b, so let's make sure to have, whenever we write, whenever we have the the code, we should have this double quote. If you use single quote will not work. Double quote, and after that the semicolon, and single quote whatever we write. So the %d, whatever number is larger. Here will be a. I said that here we do not use this ampersand, so it is only a. After that we come out of this if statement, we use another if. If a is greater than b, and if %d is larger, which one? B. Now once again we use if is equal to b. So double equal means is equal to. If you use single, it means assignment operator. We assign something to something else. So this is here it is necessary to use double equal. Printf, we use printf, these numbers are equal. Let's have \n and semicolon. Now the program is ready. Just run this and see what it shows. Enter two numbers, 10, 20. 20 is larger. Once again we want to run this. Just see 20 and 28 should say that these numbers are equal. These numbers are equal.